How would you like to win the loyalty of your prospects and drive them to take action, giving you bigger profits and more authority in your niche? Emotion-based marketing is the secret ingredient that dictates purchasing decisions. Every day we feel hundreds of different emotions, and it is the magic which motivates every one of us to take action. By tapping into the pain and pleasures of your audience, it will help them to feel deeply connected to you and your brand. Emotional drivers are extremely powerful in marketing, which can win the loyalty of your prospects and make them feel desperate for an instant solution. As a result, the selling of your products and services will be accomplished by itself. Case studies proved that purely emotional content performs 200% better. Furthermore, in an analysis of a databank which contains 1,400 case studies of successful advertising campaigns with purely emotional content performed 200% better than those with only rational content. That makes sense based on what scientists know about the brain now, that humans feel first and think second. Most importantly, humans primarily act through the response of their emotions. Whiteboard Video Packs is perfect for video marketers, offline and online marketers, info product creators, coaching and consultants, social media marketers, graphic and web designers, etc. Some promotional usage ideas: sales presentations, video commercials, educational training, websites, blogs, avatars or social media, banners, ads for content network, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. T-shirt design, cover design, print projects for editorial purposes, etc. We did all the hard work for you. Save thousands of dollars and hours of time. If you scroll down below, you will see that we've spent thousands of dollars in the last few months putting together this ultimate character emotions bundle to help you craft your persuasive whiteboard presentation from start to finish. Hours and hours was put into hiring the right people to create custom content with exclusive rights. Hours and hours was also put into organizing everything into an easy-to-use package. What we've done for you here is worth several $1,000s if you were to outsource them on your own. We want to make sure you get immense value and everything you need to create videos that convert and impact your promotional efforts to the next level.